Hi, and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we are looking at the Blackburn Rovers third shirt, and this is for the 25-26 season, which is the Blackburn Rovers 150th anniversary. This shirt was purchased from bestzv2.com. I will leave a link to the seller in the description of this video, along with a DHGate link to my usual seller. I'm not sure whether that link will take you direct to Blackburn. If it does, then great. If it doesn't, it will just be a random item on their website. The first thing I noticed on this one, which always winds me up, is the badge. Look, you've got this excess just around the outside. Never needed. I don't know why they always seem to fail on that on the Blackburn shirts. But the shirt comes in a standard bag, and on the flip side, it is also plain. I'm going to hazard a guess that the sponsor, Watson Ramsbottom, is going to be way too big, because that's what tends to happen on these shirts. If you're new around here, hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Any comments, questions or anything, leave them below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But this is the third Blackburn shirt that we've looked at. We've looked at the home, the away, and now the third one. So yeah, be good to see it. So what we'll do now is we'll open the bag and let's take a look at this Blackburn third shirt from the 25-26 anniversary season from bestzv2.com. Okay, we're at the front of the shirt and we have a proper collar. And people that have been around this channel a while know I do like a proper collar on a shirt. But yet they still have these little mess of joins at the end. I don't know why collars always have that. We've got a button. That's just a standard button, no printing on there. The Macron is embroidered into the material. And on this sleeve you have the vinyled Macron there. The Blackburn crest with what I said earlier, these slightly larger white bits that are around the side. And there's actually a cotton that goes there that needs to be chopped. On this sleeve, you've got the Venkeys, unfortunately, and you've got the Macron there. I say unfortunately about Venkeys. I don't like them, but they are keeping Blackburn going by funding them, although I'm sure they could put more effort into the team. And the Watson Ramsbottom is, like I said, quite large. If I just zoom out a little bit here, you can see what I mean. It is way too big. We do have like the fawn through the shirt, you can see it at the bottom there, and then we have the official licensed product Eco Fabric. Someone's another loose cotton there. Stitching out all looks fine. Oh, a massive loose cotton there. I've got to say, I like the yellow one, but I think this one's actually my favourite now. I really like this one. It's just, again, such a shame that sponsor's so big. But yeah, there's the front of it. Let's flip it around and we'll take a look at the reverse side as well now. Okay, we're on to the reverse side and collar line continues around. It's all looking good. And then you've got the 150 seal just here. That's vinyled on. And then we've got the printing on the back again, which looks really smart. Oh, look, we've got one of those little white blemishes there where the print hasn't gone on perfect. The material though, it's a shiny sort of silky material. It feels really quite luxurious. Yeah, it does feel really nice. I've got to say, that's like an off-white cream sort of colour. I don't know if it's coming across on the video out there as well. Proper smart. But there's the reverse side of the shirt. Let's take a look now at the inside. Really like this one. Okay, we're on the inside now and we've got the sports performance tag, size XL. Size wise, it's like a fan version, so XL is going to be what it's like. It would be for me, but I don't like the size of the sponsor. You've got this card that I always talk about. If this doesn't come off, which I'm struggling with one hand, then just some lukewarm water, although I might, there you go, it is pulling off. There we go. If it hadn't have done, lukewarm water will soon get rid of that. Likewise with this one as well. They've actually come off really simple. The stitching on this one doesn't look too bad. There's that loose cotton again there, look. Inside of where the button is, that all looks fine. Stitching looks nice, as does the Macron there. Prints on the sleeve, fine, no issues, no creases, only from where the bag, the shirt's been in the bag. And the sponsor here as well, really smooth. At the bottom here we do have the washing instructions. The recommendation when washing these shirts is to do as it is now and have it inside out and on a hand wash setting. Thought there was another little white blemish there. I think it is actually. But the inside of the hemline all looks nice and tidy. So there's the first part of the inside of the shirt done. Let's flip it around and take a look at the final part of the inside of this shirt. Okay, the final part now, collar line again continues all the way around, and you've got this little neck pad there. And we have the 150th anniversary Blackburn crest in here with the M Performance system. Those are both vinyled on. If I push in on the material, it's not that see-through at all actually, so you can't make out anything from the other side. Fair few creases from the bag, but once the shirt's been either worn or washed, those will disappear. The hemline's a little bit off there at the bottom, but that's not going to cause any problems at all. And there was that long cotton that we talked about earlier. Again, pair of scissors on that, chop it off, and that will be absolutely fine. The join on that side's a little bit messy as well, but nothing really to worry about. Oh wow, look at that, all that cotton under there. Wow, look at that. So yeah, definitely going to need a good pair of scissors to sort this one out. But all in all though, I think that looks really, really tidy. There we have it. And there we have our Blackburn Rovers third shirt for the centenary 150 years 25-26 season. And this shirt was purchased from bestzv2.com. All the information for the seller will be in the description of this video. A really, really nice shirt. Actually, I do think I prefer this to the yellow one. That was my favourite when I first opened it. But yeah, this one does take it for me. It's just a shame the size of that sponsor on this one, the official one, is way smaller than that. And I wish it was on these as well. But it's a replica for the cost of it, which you're looking at about 15 quid. For people that are just wearing them down the park or whatever, who really cares? Delivery timescales, you're looking at about 10 to 15 days for the item to arrive. So yeah, again, with that, absolutely perfect. I will leave a link to BestZV2 in the description of this video, along with a DHGate link for my usual seller. So take a look at their items and let me know what you think. So drop me a message, yeah, and let me know. Have you purchased this one? Are you going to be purchasing it, or any others? If there are another shirt you'd like me to look at, let me know and I'll see what I can do. But there we have our final look at the Blackburn Rovers third shirt for the 25-26 season from bestzv2.com. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.